King of Jordan, Honorable President of India, Excellencies and distinguished ladies and gentlemen. It is a great pleasure to be here on the occasion of inauguration of GIFCO plant at Ishidia. Under the patronage of Your Majesty, the King of Jordan and Honorable President of India. This proved the true partnership between Jordan and India, which is in the field of fertilizer sector of more than 40-year-old. The outcome is finally the establishment of a joint venture by IFFCO and JPMC. India is an agriculture country and needs very large quantities of fertilizers. Excellency, the President of India is known supporter of agriculture, and his landmark reforms in fertilizer sector in India would be remembered. I had the honor and privilege to have been associated with this Excellency. There being no significant reserve for rock phosphate, India is entirely dependent on import of rock phosphate in different forms, and IFFCO is the largest importer and producer of fertilizer in India. So JPMC and IFFCO signed a MOU in 2007 to establish this fertilizer factory. And this had the vision to have about 2 million tons of rock phosphate to be consumed in the plant, and about 2 million tons to be exported to IFFCO's plant in Paradip. So about 4 million tons of which, and the phosphoric acid which was to be produced here, the maximum amount of that was to be imported by India and to be exported from Ishidia, from Aqaba port. So it has a continuous lineup of acid going from Aqaba port to Kandla port, and had a complete strategic partnership with about $400 million as revenue earning to the Jordan, and with at least 80% of the workforce to be of Jordanian, and that too of the nearby areas. The GIFCO project, for which the foundation stone was laid under the patronage of Your Majesty, and I had the honor to be present there, sir, on 3rd October 2009. It has now become operational. You all saw it. And it is being dedicated by Your Majesty the King and by our Honorable President. It's the greatest occasion for us, and especially IFFCO, which is owned by more than 50 million farmers. It cannot be bigger honor than this. So I must thank both of you, sir. Setting up the project in Ishidia Desert had a lot of challenges. And those challenges were engineering as well as logistic. But those challenges were met under able guidance of Chairman JPMC, Engineer Majali and his team, and IFFCO's people. And today's, this plant has run a more than 80% capacity, which is the world record for this kind of plants. It also has, incidentally, the biggest sulfuric acid plant in the world. Nobody has 5,000 tons per day plant, which is the biggest one here. On this occasion, I would like to congratulate all of them who have been associated with this. And then on this happy occasion, Your Majesty, with your permission, and in light of our commitment to Jordan and to support the local community, IFFCO would like to announce a donation of Jordanian JD 100,000 for educational purposes to Her Majesty Queen Rania's Foundation. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.